Oh my God, I think she wants to do an Excel Purpose Show takeover. I don't know how this is going to go, but welcome, Lady L. So this began with,
Okay,
oh my God, are we beginning with a warm-up? Can we like, you know, like ease into it? Like, are we going straight into dancing? What is happening here? Oh, no. Oh, man, what are you doing to me? I'm not good at this.
Now that I feel better.
Now that I don't feel better and she feels better, and I think she's doing some weird leveling playing field mind shift thing here. All right, then what? Now what?
We're gonna turn the tables now. I'm gonna get uncomfortable. I'm gonna share with you what I'm struggling with.
Yeah, perfect. I love it. So we're gonna film that now. Go.
We can learn to move any way we want to, especially Cook Island, Tahitian, dance, wave. Okay, follow me. Let's go.